Howdy y'all! If you're looking to completely transform your backyard or outdoor space, these CRODIAL 15-watt RGB landscape lights are totally worth checking out. They come in a 12-pack and they're low voltage, which makes them super energy efficient while still giving your yard, garden, or patio a beautiful, customized glow. What I really love is the RGB feature. You can switch colors to match the mood or the occasion. How cool is that? Obviously, that's really fun. Whether it's a cozy evening with family or a lively backyard party, these lights make it easy to set the mood. They're also really easy to install, so you don't need to be a pro to get that professional look, which is super cool. CRODIAL is known for outdoor lighting that's both stylish and durable, and from my experience, these lights definitely live up to that. Imagine pulling up to your house and seeing it perfectly lit with just the right colors. I highly recommend you check it out if this is something you're looking for. Grab them at the link below.